Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some show-stopping hair transformations. So if you guys feel inspired by any of these hot hair ideas, be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone at the salon getting their hair done. Looks like she did kind of like the ombre look. Oh, wow. Very pretty color. Nice mix of blonde and red. That was absolutely stunning. Then we have someone thinking about cutting their hair. Looks like she did the filter there to see how it would look. Then we have someone actually braving the decision and going ahead and cutting their hair. So they're doing a donation. Beautiful bob haircuts. Lots of body with that one. Looks like she had a nice little mid-length layered cuts. Then we got a layered style with the curtain bangs. That of course is one of the hottest hair trends for 2023. And we got the wolf cut trend, another hot 2023 hair trend. Oh, beautiful layered style with the chunky color. And then we have another DIY haircut. Looks like she's doing curtain bangs. So this is basically another version of the wolf cut trend. It's just a different name. And this is a great way to create layers in your hair if you want to do it yourself at home. Most of the time I've seen these, they actually come out pretty good. Alright you guys, if you want to see more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.